Hey guys, this is Mike, Shop for My Garage, working with World Car Auto Group today. And today we're looking at this 2022 Mazda CX-30. Customer states that it has a sound. It's got some sound. Well, it's got a turbo, so it's got the single whistler, but it's got a noise coming from the vehicle while driving down the road. Maybe a bad tire or something. So we'll get this thing on the road, see what we can hear. See if we can hear some noise. Yeah, we'll do that right now. Oh no. Yeah, so I have the vehicle out on the highway right now and I can hear it. There's a grinding noise. It sounds to me like it's coming from the rear, possibly the driver's rear. I don't know if you can hear that. You probably can't, but it is definitely making a noise and it's coming from the rear end. So let's get it back to the shop and get it on the lift, see if we can hear that noise, find out exactly where it's coming from. Okay, yeah, it is definitely making a noise, and the noise is coming from the driver's rear, and it sounds like a bearing. It's a bad bearing. So I know that you can't hear it. I'm gonna attempt to hook up this stethoscope to the microphone and see if you can hear it. First, I'll let you hear this side over here. See if you can hear this side, how quiet it is, and then we'll try the other side and you can see how loud it is. So let's see if this works. Did you hear anything? Okay, now we'll try this side. I gotta use this hammer. Stop the wheel. That way I can get the other side moving. And I can already hear it from here. I don't know if you can hear that. Let's try the stethoscope. Did you hear it? That is definitely making noise, and we're gonna need to replace this wheel bearing and start working on that right now. Okay, so we need to get this brake caliper and bracket off. The rotor needs to come off, and we're going to be replacing the entire hub. And this is an all-wheel drive system, so get you in there and see. This has to come off, and back here it has some bolts, and I'll show you what the new part looks like. So here's the new part, and it is a whole rear hub assembly. That's it right there. So an entire rear hub assembly that we're going to be putting on there. Got the bearing and everything. So, and also we have a new axle nut because we're going to be pulling the old one off. So, and this is covered under powertrain warranty, and we'll get that apart and get it replaced right now. Okay, so we got the hub bearing and everything in. Gonna take her out on the road, see how she performs. Make sure there's no more noise. All right, let's go. Well, there you go, guys. One more vehicle down. no more noise, and it was pretty fairly easy fix. Just 4 bolts in that hub assembly, and of course we had to torque the axle nut down, and everything's good. It's good to go. So for Shop Former Garage and World Car Auto Group, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.